In this activity, you're going to come up with a design to help people deal with landslides. It's a good thing you know something about landslides now. You're going to need it, because today is your lucky day! Congratulations! You just won a house in the Slide City Sweepstakes! It's a charming little yellow cottage right by the beach. But there's a problem. Your new house is located right here in Slide City. A few years ago, this landslide tumbled downhill, destroying a dozen homes. Luckily, it stopped right before it hit your new house. But it was a close call. You'd like to move into your new house, but you're worried that there might be another landslide. How can you protect your house from a landslide? To solve a problem like that, you're going to have to think like an engineer. Engineers are people who solve problems by designing and building things. The problem you need to solve is, how can you protect your house from a landslide? Maybe you're thinking, I have no idea where to start. That's okay. Almost everyone feels stuck when they first tackle a problem like this. To get unstuck, engineers use something called brainstorming. In a brainstorm, the goal is to quickly come up with lots of ideas for how to solve the problem. A brainstorm is not about judging ideas yet. We're not trying to decide which ideas are good or bad. In fact, in a brainstorm, there really are no bad ideas. All ideas are good ideas. Even ideas that sound silly and crazy are welcome.